Lions is special in my heart because it's a smaller park, but it is resource dense. Every square inch, there is something amazing to see, whether it's wildlife or vegetation. My name is Janice Stroud-Settles. I am Zion's wildlife biologist, which involves caring for and conserving all the wildlife in the park. It's making sure that any of the actions that the park is doing, that it has minimal impact on the wildlife and wildlife habitat. The project that I've proposed to do is a mountain lion study. Very limited mountain lions data exists for the park, and we decided that this was the time to do it because we've been studying deer the past couple years. We've had collars out in the individuals, and the deer, we were studying deer because they are just don't look right. They're not very healthy looking. So we're trying to figure out why they're not very healthy looking. And what we learned from the study is that these are the deer that solely live in Zion Canyon. This is where the highest visitation is for the park. We were really surprised with that. We were not expecting that result. Maybe they're just passing through at night, maybe not. We don't know. What are they eating? What are they selecting for habitat? How are they benefiting scavengers such as condors? Big thing in Zion Canyon. So this is a collar that was worn by one of the deer in Zion Canyon. It has a GPS device on it and also a radio telemetry device on it. This allows us to track the animal. We are able to basically get points from where the animal's at every couple hours, and we're able to download it to our computer. Very high technology. But this deer was killed by a mountain lion. We knew it was dead because it sends a signal to our computer when they die that it's in mortality mode, so we can immediately go investigate it and, investigate the scene like a crime scene, and we determined it was a mountain lion kill. Hopefully, we will be putting very similar collars out on the mountain lions. They'll look very similar to these. It will be GPS as well as radio telemetry. Some of the products from this project of studying lions, we're gonna get a lot of game camera photos and videos. Our plan is to put out those game cameras when a lion has made a kill. We'll know because of the collars. They'll be able to tell us if there's clusters of points, lions likely have killed something. So we'll put a camera out there to capture interspecies interactions, scavenger activity, whatever they are willing to present to us. So we'll be able to share that with the public, and then the public will have that ability really to look into the secret life of mountain lions.